Okay, let's draw his eye. Now let's take a look. We're not going to draw the whole face. So I'm going to draw the big eyes right over here. So first thing, I'm going to draw the shape of the eye. There's the upper eyelids right over here. Some people have double eyelids, some people have only one line. And that's the opening, and this is the lower eyelid. So now we already see this is pretty easy to get. But the second thing is we need to find to suggest the three-dimensional volume. So we're going to see on this side, it actually darker. So imagine this is an invisible ball over here, right? So this side, let's take a look at the whole sphere shape. And it would look like this. The light coming this direction, which is good, from the outside. And on this side, it looked like this. So on the shadow side, it like this. If on the table, you have cast shadow, like this. Right? How are you going to do that to use this on the eye? So you can see on this side, it actually darker. You see that? Darker, right here. You can first draw this, and this is darker. It kind of suggests it's turning around, right? Look like a sphere shape, like a ball, and then it over here. Now, based on this, I'm going to look at closely how this line coming in over here, all the way coming to over here, and the lower eyelid, and like this, coming to this side. Good. And the upper eyelid a little bit forward. So, and also because there's some thickness of the upper eyelid. So you actually will create some cast shadow underneath inside the eye white, right? Let's take a look at the upper eyelid. It looks like this. Like that. And up over here, and you can see there is a shape above the eyelid. So I'm not sure you noticed the way I use the charcoal. Actually, over here I use it this way. See, I press it like this way. See that? This is touch the paper. This is away from the paper. So I draw it like this. And when I come over here, here you can do the same over here. But over here, the inside is a little bit darker, outside is a little bit lighter. I push this side a little bit toward the paper. So you have the inside sharper edge, and the outside is continuous, gradually turn to lighter and lighter. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna come to see how big is the iris. It's supposed to be a circle, okay, like this. So some people make it too small, some people make it too big. So make sure you use this size compared to the whole eye. Now it looks like this. And now I'm looking at it, the eye whites, the highlights actually in this area. Can you open that a little bit? Okay, look at me. Yeah, that sounds look like really 6 years old. Okay, now, and this area is the highlight, just like this highlight right over here, right? So I'm going to make this a little bit darker, like this. Is the color of the iris is dark. Okay. Okay, if you look inside close enough, inside over here, this is the pupil, even a little bit darker. And up over here is I have some cast shadow because the eyelid, it had a little bit darker. So if you see, oh, there's some eyelashes, and then you add the eyelashes over here. Right, there's a giant eye. So in over here, even a little bit darker. You probably ask us, why this size lighter? Because now you have the ridge of the nose, now it's just come up. So for making this structure on this side, it coming up like this, making this surface actually facing to the light direction. This is why it's lighter, right? So the eye is already finished. And you put the eyebrows on top over here. That is another matter. Okay, look at the lower eyelid. It also have so you can see it's the whole upper eyelid, lower eyelid. Together, it creates the illusion of the roundness, the eyeball.